Hi, uh, I have an iPhone mini 13. It's broken, hardware stuff, and I need to fix it. So, this is my desktop. So from this guy, you can learn a lot about hardware fixing. Then I checked in ChatGPT where would I get a spare part, and yeah, how can I get the display back on it or the screen? And here's the adhesive on Amazon, but this is too much work to cut it in a precise way. And this is also the store linked from ChatGPT, iFixit. And then you can type in the stuff you need, iPhone mini 13 screen, and then you can get this kit. But I do have all the tools, so I only need the part. And then you grab a video from this channel, and then we do it. Yes, I did do it, and I'm never going to do that again. So what I learned later on is repairing iPhones is really difficult, and my advice is don't do it. Just don't do it. So in the clip I was showing, Louise Rossman, um, he's always complaining about Apple and repairing stuff, and because it's very difficult, it's impossible. So what I found out later, after after my attempt to repair it, and the Face ID and the camera wasn't working, so I had to open it a couple of times to check if I could fix it, but it seems to be impossible. And the reason for that is this is the reason. The true depth module or something like that. So there are some components attached to the screen. You have to remove them and put them on the new screen, and they have to be in the exact same place. Otherwise, Face ID and front camera and no camera at all would be working. In my case, nothing, no cameras work. Face ID. So that was a deal breaker for me. So the position of those are here, right on the screen, and not so fun. I lost 500 euros on this. Like um, I maybe paid 350 for the phone and roughly 200 for the new screen, and I'm not sure if I can sell those. Yeah. So if you want to attempt to repair your iPhone 13 mini screen, then my suggestion is to not do it. And and I will attach some clips of the repairing process, but I do not recommend. Okay, so I'm cutting the video or the footage, and I just saw I removed the display from the chassis or something like that, and if I only had replaced this part and not the chassis part, then I would not have touched the sensors, and then it would have worked. But because the parts I ordered included this aluminum frame, so I also removed the frame and replaced the whole thing. But if you do that, then you have to touch the sensors, which are extremely fragile. So this was my mistake, I guess, because of inexperience. But yeah, if I would have known that, maybe I should try it again with another phone. Maybe not. Yeah, but that's That's definitely something better learned than just tried and failed. But here's the crucial mistake I made. I think. No, I don't want to. ich jetzt testen soll. Bevor ich es zumache. Fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, ernsthaft? Ah, bitte. Bitte lass es nur ein lockeres Kabel sein. Maybe check these again. Ih. Ih. So this is how my little geek corner looks like after my attempt to repair my iPhone 13 mini, and I'm giving up. Yeah, I bought a Samsung S23 to do the recordings, which I did, and now I'm gonna use the S23 as primary phone for now, since I fucked up my iPhone 13 mini. The Face ID in the camera is not working anymore, and it keeps being in a reboot loop. Hey, fun, very fun. Yeah, that's it. So this is the end of it. On the right, you see my old screen. On the left, my old phone with the new screen, and it's not turning on anymore. So this is the end of the journey, and everything will be packed and stored, and I don't know what to do with it.